Hello everyone, it is Kimberly. So I am in Tennessee still, and I am leaving tomorrow for Phoenix. Yay. So I'm doing exactly like I did for when I flew to here, and I'm starting the day before. These are all the books that I'm getting rid of. These are the shoes coming back. I'm only checking a bag because I love this baby, and it was like $70. But so I have my books, some of my clothes that I'm just not going to put in my backpack, my Christmas tree, but it's like aesthetic, these little, what are these called, reindeers. I need to put these things in here. I have these tea lights for these reindeer things, and then I have like literally pencils, a coaster, a freaking portable charger, a necklace. I have to go mail this today, so that's on my list. It feels so nice today. It's finally sunny. Cameron came and got me. We're gonna go get coffee. He has Bojangles in hand. There he is. Coming to you soon, Montana. Cameron's car literally just stopped. And
for no reason.
Like, we literally had to sit here for like 3 minutes.
In the middle of traffic.
In the middle of the road. So we had to like direct people to go around us in this one lane road, and it honestly was funny, but really bad. Now it's like stressful because I have to do montage footage and vlog footage, and I'm like, Cameron and I left the coffee. We're now gonna go to Chili's because that's like what we always do, is eat at Chili's, and so
that's our thing.
Yeah, I leave tomorrow, so we're gonna eat at Chili's. Yay! All right, Chili's.
I don't know how you're gonna
This is what you've
do
been
that,
doing
but
the
okay.
whole time, so I don't know why you just now announced
No, because I've been montaging. Okay.
So here's the sitch. Everyone's bashing Kimberly because she wants to vlog and montage, but here's the thing, she can do what she wants, so it's fine.
True. Thank you, Cameron, for backing a sister up. So we're at Chili's, and
So we're at Chili's, and
we're trying to figure out what to do because it's a gorgeous evening
Oh my gosh,
here.
really? Look.
Someone's cat. It was like to keep my cat alive. With an ivy.
It's a gorgeous evening here in Tennessee. Shane, what should we go do?
So that was my reaction to the dying cat.
What?
What should we go do?
I don't know, outside. We should have an oatmeal party.
We should have an oatmeal party too.
You
should
all
have
should
an
die.
outdoor party.
We're at the park, and they're like doing this dance thing. And literally, this woman is so motivational.
We're like,
Me,
oh my god.
like,
going?
literally,
Swings are over there, aren't they?
I really want to join that. I don't have my wallet. We literally were going to buy
So small.
a Frisbee, but it's freaking $9. No.
Here we guard.
Keep going, Sam.
Oh my god.
Keep going, keep going. You're okay, you're okay. The world's spinning.
Stand up, hurry. Hurry! And then take a hit of this. Yes.
They're gonna roll down this hill. How are you gonna do?
What's your strategy?
I think I'm gonna go in with an aerodynamic approach to try to really harness my wind power here.
Okay.
So that's what I like to do to warm myself up.
Okay, let me go to the female over here because how are you gonna do it?
I'm
How
just
are you
going
gonna do it?
full power.
TMZ
full
here.
strength.
Here they go.
Okay, I'm not doing it that way.
So cool.
Run!
Run, finish the beat strong. Go, Sam, come on.
Women!
Go, women. The aerodynamic approach was there.
2, 3. Oh, what? No,
That was so
you need
bad.
to
Oh
go
my
again.
gosh. I never came down.
Ah!
That would be so awesome.
It's so weird. Like, why would you do it?
What if we just left like that? We didn't have cars. We was
But never came back.
Wendy Wu, homecoming warrior.
That was my joke.
Oh, no, and it.
Kim, I was gonna film it for you.
Too late.
Bring it.
So we're at Insomnia Cookies. It's like 10 to get cookies. Yay, cookies! Go vegan. Insomnia Cookies. Let me get my cookie out.
Can I get
Man, don't do that. You said you're gonna show her cookie.
So we are at the UTK campus. We are at Shane's old stomping grounds. He's not looking.
Like and Snapchatted me.
This is Shane's dorm. Was Shane's dorm. Now since he's not living there anymore, I can let all the fans know. Shane, where did you live on the University of Tennessee Knoxville campus?
Third floor. Right there.
What's the name of it?
White Hall.
That's the sound sphere, you can't see it. So Bryson is leaving me. Well, to get a better hug when it's not on footage.
Kimmy.
We're in pursuit. Let's go, Nashville. We have to go get Sarah.
That's a 23-second video for those 5 flub seconds.
All right, we out here headed to Nash.
Woo! Spring break! Ooh, summer.
Wake me up, my eyes are heavy and I need some sun. One hit, I'm ready for
So we made it. I'm eating.
Love you too. Goodbye.
What else you wanted?
Yeah. I wish it had the brand. I like it. This is what I signed up for.
You're gonna be able to.
This wall. You know?
Me, Sam. It's good.
So we at Panera.
Oh my god.
What?
Oh my god.
Never heard of them.
Alright, thanks. We were just wondering.
Who is it?
Singapore?
That's
Who?
a country.
Cinnabon.
Cinnabon.
I guess we can go.
Cinnabon is here performing.
Definitely,
Oh my god, it's Cinnabon.
Definitely not what he said, but I just didn't want to make him repeat himself again.
Oh.
I think that's what it sounded like.
Cinnabon.
I asked. It sounded like Cinnabon, but I didn't want to make himself repeat.
Singapore.
Thought he
Definitely
said
not.
Singapore. I've been recording for like 8 minutes.
Sam
Who?
Hunt. Sam Hunt.
I don't know who that is.
You know who Sam Hunt? Oh, okay. You'll be on a plane.
I'll be in Phoenix at 8:30, honey. Oh my god, it's Pita Pit. Is this a Green Bridge in Clinton?
It is.
We going to get food. I ain't even hungry.
What are we
whatever.
getting?
Pizza.
Go vegan.
More like go balls.
Go Lowe's. M.
Oh my god, is that a Google cluster store? Oh. Oh. The Google cluster store is where I live.
That took a lot of time. What did she do?
I cannot believe I literally have 13 mugs.
10.
I literally have 13 mugs. So I have more money than I thought. I'm still not buying a bunch of stuff.
Oh. They can come after Kim leaves.
Oh my god. Look, I've got my life. I'm literally shaking. I am shaking right now. I can't believe this. I was screaming about him yesterday.
Give it up for Chris Stapleton.
So my hair is fully in a side pony.
Pocket.
We are.
I know, but these people aren't that pretentious.
We are driving by the Parthenon, and then we're gonna drop me off at the airport. And oh no! Sam has a horrible update.
I'm getting the New York Times article right now, and I said New York, like Newark, New Jersey.
Kate Spade has passed.
Housekeeper found Miss Spade.
No one else can read
The words on your lips. Reach yourself with words unspoken. Live your life with arms wide open. Today is where your both begins. The rest is still unwritten. I'm getting my stuff.
I'm literally sweating like a mofo. Oh my god! Do you have everything? What about your rain jacket?
It's in there. Okay.
Mug?
Mug is already in. Okay,
Aw, Kim.
I'm leaving. I'm gonna hug everyone, so bye. So I'm about to board. I'm really tired and I took my meds. I took 3 pills, so it should be okay. Go to Nashville. I'm literally like crying. I'm currently in Texas and I missed my flight. I'm waiting for my flight because I missed my first one, but hopefully everything will be a-okay. I finally made it home and I have to go to the bagging office to get my bag because it came early, so that guy was literally a liar. But I'm really tired and I'm like struggling to see. Like I'm literally going blind or something. But I'm gonna get my bag and get Dante to get me, and then I can leave and go home. Yay, to my freaking dorm. So we're back on campus. If you'll slow down. Oh my god. So Dante is holding my large bag and it's going 100 miles an hour and I'm left to walk. What's new? There he is. Wow. Yay. Oh my god.